In today's tutorial, our focus will be on zoom transition effect using Premiere Pro. To begin with, go to your new item button here and click on adjustment layer. Be ensured that your adjustment layer setting here is the same with your sequence. Then click OK button. Right click on the adjustment layer and click on speed and duration to reduce the length of our adjustment layer to 10 frames. Okay, so to do that, change this figure to 0 and change the 29 to 10 and click OK. Now we have 10 frame adjustment layer for our effect. Pick the adjustment layer and drop it on top of your video here. Okay, use your arrow key on your keyboard to move 5 frames forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to allow you to position your adjustment layer in between the transition point accurately. Okay, next is to go to your effect panel here and search for transform. Okay, pick the transform effect and drop it on your adjustment layer here. Then go to your effect control here and look for transform. We have transform here, as you can see it now. First thing to do here is to uncheck this box. Use composition shutter. Uncheck this box and change the value of shutter angle to 360. Okay. Now go to your scale here and use this toggle lamination button to create your first keyframe. But before do that, be ensure that your playhead here is at the center of your adjustment layer here, where your transition point is. Okay. Then click on the toggle animation button to create your first keyframe. As you can see now, we have our first keyframe here. Okay. And then go back to the value here where you have 100 and change it to 300. Okay. Then move your playhead to the beginning of your adjustment layer here and come down here to the scale again and click reset button. As we do that, you can see now that we have another keyframe for our effect here. Next is to move your playhead here to the end of your adjustment layer here. Okay, and go back to your effect control here and click on the reset button also to have another keyframe here, as you can see now. Okay, so if I move my playhead across the adjustment layer now, you can see now that we have a cool zoom transition effect for our video. Okay, so let's play the video and see what we have together. Cool. Let's play it again. Cool. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.